Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Some of these were puzzling, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Chives are good for your health in so many ways, so be sure to include them in your diet. The nutrients in chives include vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and manganese. Chives are also a good source of fiber. These nutrients work together to support various aspects of health, including immunity, bone health, cardiovascular health, and more. Including chives in your diet is a great way to improve your overall health and well-being. Playing dominoes can be good for your health in several ways. First, it helps to keep your mind active and engaged. Puzzles like dominoes can help improve cognitive function and memory, both of which are essential for preserving good health as you age. Second, playing dominoes can be a marvelous way to relieve stress and relax. The slow, methodical nature of the game can help to calm your nerves and lower your blood pressure. And lastly, playing dominoes can be a soft form of exercise that can help to enhance your balance and coordination. Carbohydrate-rich foods can also cause spikes in your blood sugar levels. This can be dangerous for people with diabetes or other medical conditions. If you're looking to improve your health, it's crucial to limit your intake of carbohydrate-abounding foods. Choose healthier carbohydrates like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Your body will thank you for it. It's no secret that good health is important for our overall well-being. But did you know that maintaining friendships can also be beneficial for your health? A recent study found that people who have strong social ties are more likely to live longer, have better mental and physical health, and recover from illness more quickly. And one of the best ways to maintain those strong social ties is by spending time with friends, especially when it comes to exploring new places together. Sightseeing with friends not only strengthens your bond, but it can also lead to good health benefits like lower stress levels, increased happiness, and even improved sleep quality. So next time you're planning a trip with friends, remember that it could be good for your health as well as your friendship. And who knows, you might just discover some new places that you all love.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time!